Today we'll be installing a new solution for select Jeep Grand Cherokee models 2014 to 2021, the 95-6562. To start, remove the outside trim panel. Unclip and unplug the connectors, then remove the panel. After, remove the 4 screws securing the radio. Then, unplug and remove the radio. This kit covers factory large screen radio and factory small screen radio. 1 silver, 1 bronze. This kit includes both. Start by taking off the 3 knobs. Then, take the 4 torque screws off. After, take the back plate off. Flip the chipboard over and remove the 16 screws. Remove the button pads and the circuit board and place aside. After selecting the options best suited for your new radio kit, we can now start the assembly. First, line up your pieces before connecting them together. Choose the right color trim, top trim, and climate control panel. Snap and connect all the parts. After lining up the trim parts, secure them by using the screws provided. Afterward, attach the climate control button pads to the circuit board. Use the screws to secure the button pads and circuit board. Place the new backplate for the kit on and secure with the 6 screws provided. Attach the left and right vents. Then attach the knobs back into place. After attaching the brackets to the aftermarket radio, once you've made all your connections to the aftermarket radio, place the radio into the dash. Note, in this application, you will need to trim the top of the dash in order for the clearance of the radio. Secure the radio with the 4 screws. Once the radio is in the dash, plug in the front panel, then snap it in. This vehicle uses a factory big screen. We also make an adapter for the small screen radio panel as well. Seen here is the factory one. And this is our kit that retains this panel for the small 4-inch screen. The customer has an option to have bronze or silver as their outer trim ring. Notes: we cannot see the info displayed. Certain features will be lost when the radio is replaced in these cars. While the factory climate control is retained, some options may not be seen on the screen. You will need to go to accessinterfaces.com to determine what interface you will need to retain your applications. With the Access interface tied with this kit, you will have retainable features plus different modes such as fan speed and temperature modes seen here. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other products like this one, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.